What's up guys, this is Joel here, and today in this video let's unbox and review the Oneplus Bullets wireless C Bluetooth earphones, and let me help you make a purchase decision. After successfully navigating through the smartphone department, OnePlus has already entered the audio department with some couple of offerings previously, but this time with its Bullets wireless C. It is targeting the budget section. So can OnePlus compete in the budget crowded market with its Bullets wireless C Bluetooth earphones? Let's have a look. Taking a look at the box, we can see it comes in the white and red colored box. Inside the box, first we get the earphones itself, then some documentations, a USB Type-C cable for charging, and some extra ear tips. I got these earphones in black color from Amazon for 1999 Indian rupees, but it's also available in other colors as well. I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested. Now just to give you a physical overview, first and foremost we can see the rubbery flexible neckband to which the battery is attached on one side, and on the other side there is a quick switch button and a USB Type-C port for charging. On the wire, we can find the inline remote on which there is a volume plus and minus button, multifunctional button, and a microphone, and finally the magnetically attaching earbuds. As for the design, they look very similar to the Bullets Wireless 2, but the only place they differ is in terms of materials they are made up of. So as the earbuds casing is made up of plastic, the plastic used is of a good quality even though these are budget oriented earphones. The rest of the body remains same with both earbuds using soft, flexible and rubberized hollow and plastic modules on either side. So overall I have no complaints regarding the build quality. Talking about the comfort, there are 3 different tips included with these earphones, so I imagine one of them will fit your ears nicely. I use the default tips and I have had no problems at all. You can go jogging or work out with them, as the angled tips fit snugly in the ears and stay in there most of the time, and yeah, they are also IP55 rated, sweat and water resistant. I haven't had any discomfort from these earphones, and the flexible rubberized collar is quite comfortable on the back of the neck. So now as for the connectivity, the OnePlus Bullets Wireless C are equipped with the Bluetooth 5.0 technology, and I faced no interruptions or connection drops even while jogging or working out. The call quality on the other hand was very good, and I didn't face any complaints from the receiver's end while on a phone call. As for the battery life, the company claims 20 hours of continuous music playback on a single charge, and the Bullets Z lived up to its claim. The amazing battery life of the Bullets Wireless Z is accompanied by the equally amazing Warp Charge wired fast charging tech, which fills up the empty battery really quick. OnePlus says 10 minutes of charge is enough to give you 10 hours of music playback. I did test this claim and it delivered here as well. So I'm really satisfied with the battery life of the Bullets Wireless Z earphones. Connecting the earphones to the smartphone was very quick and easy. Simply unsnap them from each other to turn it on and enter pairing mode. Then head on to your Bluetooth settings and pair your earphones. Pressing the multifunctional button once will play and pause the track. So also, this button can be used to pick calls and reject calls as well. Pressing the same button twice will switch to the next track, and pressing it thrice will switch to the previous track. Simultaneously, long pressing the multifunctional button will activate the Google Assistant. Pressing the plus or the minus button will increase or decrease the volume, and snapping the earphones back together again will turn off the earphones. Another feature of the Bullets Wireless Z that I like is the quick switch, which lets you quickly switch the active Bluetooth connection between your paired devices without disconnecting the previous device by just double pressing the quick switch button. Now coming to the sound quality, To be honest, I was kinda disappointed with the Bullets Wireless Z. They are equipped with a 9.2 mm single driver and an AAC and SBC codec, which is definite step down from the Bullets Wireless 2, which boasts an aptX HD support. So although the bass is adequate, it's not well balanced. The bass feels all over the place, but it lacks that satisfying punch. If you are a bass lover, then these will get you a little disappointed. The mids and highs, on the other hand, were fine. I could easily distinguish between them while listening to different types of music. The vocals were clear to most part, but sometimes they got lost in some bass-heavy songs. I didn't notice any sound distortion though, even at higher volumes. The Bullets Wireless Z offers very good passive noise isolation. By just putting the earphones in, will effectively block out a fair amount of outside noise. OnePlus says the earphones do support the low latency mode for gaming on OnePlus devices through the phone's Fanatic gaming mode, and it works fine. So I would rate it 7.5 on 10 purely on music basis and 8.5 on 10 for the build quality. So finally, as for my verdict, the Bullets Wireless Z succeeds in its goal to deliver practical value for money wireless audio package that doesn't burn a hole in your pocket. If sound quality is a top priority, then you should look somewhere else. But if you're on a budget, then you cannot go wrong with what the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z has to offer in this price range. So guys, that's it for the video, and I really hope you liked it. If you all did, then kindly hit the thumbs up button, or else you all can vote it down. Do subscribe to me if you all haven't, and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.